Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use DatePicker and how to format date in Flutter. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on PS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create new file. Let's say home screen dot file, and here let's create the stateful widget, and let's send the class name to home screen. Let's return here scaffold. Now open up the main.dart file and let's remove this stateless widget, and let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Okay, perfect. Now let's return here material app. Now give the home that home screen we have just created. Okay, and you will get this blank white screen. Now let's remove banner this banner by making debug show check mode banner false inside the material app, and it will remove this banner. Now let's open up the home screen and let's give the body to the scaffold column and children. Let's give the text widget first to show the date. Let's say selected date. Let's style this text a little bit. Let's style, give the font size 25, and also let's make the font weight bold. Okay, perfect. Here is the text. Now let's make main axis alignment. Main axis alignment to the center to this column, and this text appear there. Now let's wrap this column with the center widget. Okay, perfect. Now below this text widget, let's keep the size box with the height of 20, and let's create elevated button and give the onPress function blank for now. Give the text to the child. Let's say pick date. Okay, perfect. Now over here, let's define the selected date global variable. As default, selected date going to be known, and on clicking this elevated button, we show the date picker. Let's say the function name. Let's say pick date. Okay, perfect. Now here, let's create the function future white function. Make it async, and let's define the first current date. Okay, and define the pick date. Okay, from this date picker we get the pick date. Okay, we have this first date. Let's give the first date in here. Let's give 2000 ready, and for the last date, let's give 2030. Okay, this will show the first date 2000 and 2030. Okay, and also give the initial date. For the initial date, give the selected date, or if selected date is null, then we show the current date. Okay, perfect. Now we give the this selected date. the picked value. Okay, we update this selected date, which is null initially, with the picked value that is coming from this date picker. Okay, and here we show the selected date. Okay, write the condition if selected date equals to null. Maybe let's say select date. Else we show the selected date. Let's convert to string for now. And let's try to select. Yeah, it's showing this date picker, and as you can see, we have only this is the last date. It's showing only up to 2023 and 2000, which is the first date that we have kept here. And initial date is the date that it's showing initially. It's the current date. And if it's null, then it's showing the selected date. I mean, if selected date is null, then it's showing now current date. Okay. Now let's try to select, and as you can see, it's showing this selected date. Okay, now let's add the package, intl package, flutter pop add intl to format this date. Okay, if you open up the popspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Okay, perfect. And okay, let's remove this now. Let's import the intl package. Okay, and keep the format type. Okay, let's keep like this. You can see the intl documentation. I'm just going to format like this. Okay, and give here selected date that we are going to format. It's a null, so give the null check here. Perfect, and it will look like this. Okay, you can change it as per your need from the intl package documentation. You can see in the intl package documentation. Okay, guys, this is how you can use the date picker in Flutter, and also you can format the date with the intl package like this. Easy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos.